Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable NFC on your Android phone. So let's get started. So there's two different ways you can do it. First way is by going through your settings. So once you get to your settings, you're going to go to connections. And once in your connections here, you should see an option that says NFC and contactless payments. So you can go ahead and tap on it to enable it. Additionally, if you tap on it, you get other options as well for what NFC for the wallet and other services that you can also utilize, as you can see here, that are available. So that's going to be the first way to enable it. Now, another way to enable it quickly, if you can't reach here or you want to quickly reach, is just pulling down the top menu. And then if you expand it here, you should see an icon that looks like this, which is the N for NFC. Right now, it is enabled already because I turned it on. If I tap on it, it's going to disable. And if it's disabled, you can tap on it to enable. And when I do that, I can see you can make mobile payments to read or write NFC tag once I place it above the blue circle here. So when you do NFC, you want to make sure it's just about there so it can actually read it just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.